If you're excited about a vacation, but a little bit stressed about what to pack, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to look at a few packing mistakes to avoid and 5 must-have items that make traveling better and easier. All right, here we go. Here are the mistakes to avoid when packing for an all-inclusive vacation. Number 1, don't check a bag. Packing too much and needing to check a bag is a huge mistake and can leave you sitting around the airport waiting for luggage and wasting valuable vacation time. Do anything and everything you can to not check a bag. Number 2, avoid heavy backpacks. There will be times when you have to stand in line and wait through customs or waiting on your airplane or whatever it is, and having a large backpack pulling down on your shoulders while standing around is going to be a pain. Roller bags are the way to go. Number 3, do not bring a lot of cash. At the all-inclusive, you're not going to need it. In fact, it's one of the best things about an all-inclusive is you can put your stuff away in the safe and go down and enjoy the beach and the pool. Number 4, don't take expensive jewelry. Leave the real stuff at home if you've got it. Number 5, don't make the mistake of not packing essentials and then needing to buy them at the resort. Sunscreen, dress shirts, flip-flops, or shoes, they're all going to be very, very expensive at the resort. Do what you can to squeeze them in that roller bag carry-on. All right, those are just some of our top mistakes to make sure that you can avoid. And on to our 5 must-have items. Number 1, and this is one of my favorite ones, this is going to be personalized travel gear. This one's great, especially if you're traveling with a group of friends or you have a special occasion and you just want to do something fun, like t-shirts for the group or travel mugs or something along those lines. It's actually amazing how many items they have and all the stuff you could personalize. Number 2, noise canceling headphones. These are a must for me. I never had them and the plane ride was always a little bit of a struggle, but after getting the Apple AirPod Pros with the noise canceling, it was a complete game changer from the standpoint that it wasn't loud on the airplane for me anymore, and the quality of being able to watch a movie and hear it was so much better. Number 3, a locking roller suitcase with a power bank. This one's a new ad for me and I actually really love it. The locking part is huge for when you have to drop your bag with the concierge when you just get there and your room isn't ready. But the added power bank is great when you're at the airport and you need to charge your phone. You're not having to hunt down a plug somewhere along the wall. Number 4, locking bag for the beach and pool. This one is a game changer. This one's huge for when you want to go down to the pool or the beach and you want to keep your stuff safe from the quick steal. I had a larger locking backpack early on and then I've upgraded to just a little front pack that has the TSA lock on it that I can clip to a chair and keep all my stuff safe. This one is an absolute must-have. And lastly, number 5, backup pair of sunglasses. I always go cheap on sunglasses when traveling because without fail, they always either get broken or a pair lost. And so I always keep a backup pair in my suitcase. All right, that's a wrap on the packing list and some of our favorite items. Thanks for watching. If you're needing a little escape from your routine and wanting some adventure, make sure and subscribe to see all the latest as we explore some amazing places on our quick little getaways. In the videos, I'll share tips and tricks we've learned and how we try to save money on each trip so that you can make the most out of your trip and trip planning. Like always, I hope you travel well, and I hope this helps you travel better.